And here we go. The ball is up in the air and it is Benilde possession.
Quick clip notes dito. First 6 minutes of the game, Mapua started getting a handle on the game. And somebody who wants to forget that game one performance is Tony Inot. Why not? Bakit nga naman hindi? Unang ball, 3 points agad for Tony.
Tony Inot 1 for 5 from beyond the arc in game number 1. Played 28 minutes but only managed 7 points for the Blazers. He averages 10.4 points per outing. He definitely has to come up bigger this time around, and this is a good sign.
Yep, running that floppy screen action, single double on one side.
Binigay dito kay Cometa. Cometa to Inot. Thought about the 3. Inot drives. Inot. Wow! What a reverse by Tony Inot. Cuenco. To Recto. Nabitawan ng bola. Ancheta to Inot. Inot for 3. A lot of space. A 5-0 run for Benilde.
And that's what they need.
During the first half of the game, we are not going to win if you keep on throwing the ball away. These were words from Coach Charles Chu upon entering the dugout. Ani ni Coach Charles ay simple lang naman ang hinihingi niya sa kanyang kupunan na Diana ay huwag nang ipasa pa ang bola sa kalaban. Coach Charles also emphasized that they actually shot a higher percentage from the field. Talaga lang kulang sila.
And here is that amazing play from Tony Inot. That's definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee. Older brew, creamier blend, McDonald's. Love ko to.
Pag napagod raw itong Cardinals in the fourth quarter, this is their chance to make their runs. Anton and Coach Hammers, they've done it once. Muli kaya nilang matagumpay, napahabain pa ang kanilang chance ang maiuwi ang kampyonato. Balik mo na sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Flysel. Tony Inot scores as Benilde tries to make a run at it here. Cuenco, 19 points in the game to lead all scorers. Inot with a finger roll.
Now you need to play defense. You need to stop. You need to get stops. Talking about Benilde.
In the stat sheet, Inot with a finish.